In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you'll be installing this superior theme to your WordPress admin. Let's install this theme. To install this theme, go to Appearance, Themes. Over here, you'll be able to see all the themes that are added by you or your hosting provider. Now let's click on Add New. Click on Upload Theme. Click on Choose File. Now we will be installing the zip file. Now let's go back to the place where we have kept the theme file. So our theme file is superior_theme, which is almost 70.8 MB. Let's install it. Now depending on the hosting, it will take some time to install the theme, as the theme is almost 70 MB, which means that our hosting will take a little time to extract the theme. Once you have installed and activated your theme, now it's time to install all the plugins. Click on Begin installing the plugins. Over here, you'll need to install all the plugins. Select this, click on Bulk Actions, click on Install and Apply. Once you hit the Apply button, all the plugins that are available will be installed, one by one. Once all the plugins have been installed, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer. Now it's time to activate the plugins. Again select all, click Bulk Actions and activate it. Now you can see that no plugins to install, update or activate, which means that all the plugins that we have installed are now activated and are all updated. Now click on Return to the dashboard to go back to the. Now it's time for us to import the demo data. But before importing any demo data, let me show you how the website will look like. Click on Visit Site to view your website, how it's. This is how your website is looking. You can see that there is no post, there is no comments, no archives, no categories, nothing is available over here. Now let's try to import the demo data. Go down. Here you'll be able to find import demo data under appearance. Here you can see one-click demo data, superior theme. Now here you'll be able to see multiple home pages. Now let's select our home page number 1. If you want to preview the home pages, click on Preview Demo. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see how the website will look like. This is how your website will look like. Now let's try to import this. I'm going to import the home page 1. Click on Import Demo and wait for it to install. Now go down, click on Continue. Now it will take some time and all the pages, post, jobs, employer, candidates, header and footer options, builder, everything will be imported. Now, as you can see, we have successfully imported the demo. Now, if you click on visit site, you'll be able to see how your website will look like. Here, you can see our demo import has been completed. So this is how our website will look like. Now we can start with the editing.